Is he in second?
Nice.
All right, boys. Nice view.
So you have an option now right now. You have to go that way and came the way we came,
okay.
Or we go up this and there's like not as deep sand, but rocks and a steeper downhill.
Okay.
Basically what you just did, but 5 times as long.
Ooh.
And the rocks are worse on that.
Oh, the rocks are worse on that?
On that one, yeah.
Yeah, I'd send it that way then.
You want to try that one?
Yup, this is gonna be some good slow speed testing on the KX here. A little bit of downhill mountain biking on our excursion today. Thank you for traveling with JH Motor Club Enterprises. Today, we're taking you on a downhill. Whoa. This is a nice downhill. On our adventure today, you will experience rocks, and more rocks, and downhill. And we are glad to be of service today.
That's the job.
Didn't we climb that last time?
Yeah, we've climbed that a couple of times.
Yeah.
I just didn't know if Tristan could do it. Now I think he could, though.
Yeah.
We hit the power line trail. We'll head down to the end, and then we'll be taking a right. Maybe see the government facility if we want to like scope it out. Hit the climb. Head back. That'll finish it off.
Sick. Is the climb like technical? Like you just walk up?
At the top.
Okay.
I want to see if you hit that hill climb. I'm very curious.
Yeah. I'm curious to see it.
Yeah.
I'm just curious about this boulder at the top that you're talking about. You gotta
get it up there.
Because I can't like wheelie over it.
No. You don't want to do that.
KX is a little harsh through the rocks. So many rocks, oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, almost to the spot. The anticipation is killing me. That's a cool rock formation. It's got a cool valley back here. Getting a little tough to see with my Asian eyes out here. Okay, where is this thing? Holy shit. Wow. Wow. So give me the rundown on this guy.
So, I mean, once you get past those trees, it's a little bundle of rocks, and you're gonna want to turn right.
Really?
I might still hit it. I'll
Yeah.
go real closer. Yeah.
All right, let's watch him and see what line we need to take.
Fucking climb is the other one.
It is dark out.
It's dark. He's just one of those rocks that popped up to the right and he couldn't do it.
He did get pretty close.
So he is target racing right now, I promise you.
Oh, 100%.
Need a breather.
Yeah, that was all your heart is going, I promise.
I wasn't going fast enough is my problem.
I think you were going fast enough. I think that rock, you can see where you started burning out, and then that rock, I think, moved you to the right.
Is that where you need to cut right or no?
No, right past that.
Past the trees.
Past that giant tree, you turn right, like right after that almost.
Yeah, pretty much.
I can hardly see up there. All right. Is he in second? What was he in second?
What gear? What gear?
All right, boys.
Got it. Jeff's coming up!
Let's go, baby! Heck yeah. Now that's a send, boys. Woo! Heck yeah. What a way to end the frickin' ride, man. Adrenaline is racing right now. Woo! Let's go! That was a fatty, bro.
I know, right?
Dude, I was coming up on the rock. I'm like, I just hit it. It popped me up.
I figured out, I fucked up last time because I was on the left side before the two trees.
Yeah.
You need to hug the right before the two trees.
Yeah.
No, that was, you just feel so accomplished when you're at the top of it.
Dude,
You're so high.
I was just wow. That was freaking sick, dude.
You do that with no lights too.
No lights. It's freaking dark out. Definitely the fattest climb. Just look up there, like camera up there.
How was that?
Freaking amazing, dude. Made it way the frick up there.
Oh, the highway
That's a good send.
Pretty stellar climb.
Very nice. If you get off the gas on that, you're screwed.
Yeah, for sure.
That's very nice. Oh man, that was a very fat climb. Now we hit the highway back. There's rocks up the top, boulders and stuff, so at the top I just had to hit it, or else I would have been losing all momentum. So I just decided to send right over it. Very cool. Alright guys, well I think that's it. We're gonna finish off this video right now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Well, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.